Doesn't look like it's going to be turbulent down there.
Okay, looks pretty good. Kind of tell by the tree, all that stuff, right?
Yeah.
Follow this road and hook her in. T10's confirmed. Clear left. Clear! Clear!
So since we introduced off-airport landings in the last video, today we're going to put them to practical use by flying out to the world-famous Salt Lick BBQ in Driftwood, Texas, and landing right next to the restaurant. Now, if you didn't catch the last video on off-airport landings, I highly recommend checking it out before watching this, since we go a lot more in-depth with everything that goes into landing a helicopter in an uncontrolled area. I'll put the link for that video down in the description if you want to take a look.
No flight. Advise on initial contact. You have information Delta.
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 Georgetown Tower, helicopter 142 Victor Alpha at Trinity with Delta.
Helicopter 142 Victor Alpha, Georgetown Tower.
So we'd like to request a VFR departure to the south, the Alpha taxiway, continuing south, 2 Victor Alpha.
Helicopter 2 Victor Alpha, air taxi 2 taxiway Alpha.
Taxi to Alpha, 2 Victor Alpha.
Come on, girls are off. You can make a right 360 if you want.
Sure, right 360. All right, we are clear on the left. Clear on the right.
Kilo, Georgetown Tower, enter midfield right downwind, runway 18.
Midfield, right downwind, Cherokee 670 Kilo.
And tower, copter 42 Victor Alpha is on Alpha, ready for departure.
Helicopter 2 Victor Alpha, from taxiway Alpha, clear takeoff, proceed on course.
Let's take off, Alpha taxiway, proceed on course, 2 Victor Alpha.
Alright, girls are off.
Lights are right, RPMs are good, green,
fuel, runway 18, clear touching out.
Power. Traffic on the right, check that out. Check that out to the right.
Delta 3,500, 10 miles to the south.
Alright, we got 60 knots, climb up.
415320.
My buddy's house just on the other side of the river right up here.
Oh, nice.
There is some pretty massive wires behind it. But we can do a passing front instead of a like an orbit.
2000, a right turn to 280, United 455.
Yeah, this one right here.
Got it.
Okay, so you see these towers I'm talking about?
Yep.
Or these wires?
Guys, yeah.
So,
Yep.
Yep, got them side.
See the wires coming off of that?
Yeah. And we got an exit strategy to go left down the hill.
Yep. Just stay on, yeah, like
That
you
side.
said, that side of the wires.
Hotel.
I should slow it down a little bit.
Okay. Lower that collective just a little bit.
Alright.
7 Golf Mike, descend to maintain 4,000.
Alright, down to 4,000 now.
As low as I want you.
Okay. Power a little bit.
2636, I'll maintain 12,000, turn right heading 330.
12,000 now and 330, Delta 26.
This is light right there.
Cool. Alright, raise that collective. Let's get out of here.
I don't know about you, man. I'm hungry.
I am hungry.
Now Delta 2636.
Let's go get some the best barbecue in Texas.
Alright.
Okay, you see all these wires?
Yep, I see them.
Okay.
Walker 1 J Victor, roger.
Alright, so our altitude at Salt Lick is going to be about 900 feet.
Okay.
Approach Warrior 515, Juliet Hotel off of San Marcos, 2500, requesting one call.
That's Ryan.
Who is it?
It's Ryan. It's that PHI pilot dude flying his fixed wing plane.
Warrior 515, Juliet Hotel.
Flies a Warrior, huh?
Yeah, I'd say hi, but Austin approach isn't really the best.
Yeah.
Like a C-tap or something. Yeah, it's him and my other buddy. They both own it. He gets kind of
5, Juliet Hotel, radar contact, 6 miles.
flies it, you know, recreationally, but
Yeah.
obviously not a whole lot.
1228.
Hill country traffic, helicopter 140 Victor Alpha is maneuvering about 4 miles to the north of the Salt Lick BBQ at 2,000 feet. We're going to be heading in for the Salt Lick helipads, Hill country traffic.
See that tower?
Yep, I got it.
That's where it's at.
Okay.
Basically.
Entering a right down, Lano entering Lano, Cessna 7564.
I love that just to give up.
For runway 17, Lano.
Alright. Gotta start somewhere.
Yep. So we're probably going to have to swing around that tower.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's All of that
real
is on
close.
the other side of the tower. All that winery
Yeah.
area. We don't get close to it.
7,500 feet.
Got that
Basically,
one tree in the
see
middle.
that tree? That whole area. That whole area is yours.
Yep.
So land as far that way as possible. That way we can. Well, no, I mean land and then move up. You know, but use that as your whole runway there.
Okay.
To the right of that tree.
That'll actually be about in line with the winds, about too.
Pretty close.
So, you know, of course we got those wires on our approach path there.
Yep, you'll be plenty high above the.
Yep.
Treat it just like a normal landing. See that? It's hard to tell, but there's like little square-looking things
I see
down
'em.
in there.
Yeah, the gray ones.
Yeah, that's where they expect you to land, but
Yeah, okay.
a little small. Just land to the side of them.
Okay. Okay, so come down to about 1,200 feet here.
Notice the wires off of the
I see
tower.
the wires, yeah. Hopefully they're at a pretty steep angle there.
Yep. Go through your low peak.
Alright, landing area looks pretty clear, except for that tree. Obstacles, we got the wires. I've got the wires inside for this tower. Winds are gonna be, we're gonna be almost directly into them. Wires, we've already said that. Let's see. Forced landing area, we got plenty to choose from. Entry is gonna be just, we're just gonna go on down the length of that runway there and exit out. It's gonna be the same.
Okay, very good.
And then it doesn't look like it's gonna be turbulent down there.
Okay, looks pretty good. Kind of tell by the tree, all that stuff, right?
Yeah.
Follow this road, and hook her in.
Alright, trims out.
Clear left.
Clear right.
Just to the right of that tree.
Okay.
Go ahead and lower that collective.
Okay. Feel like almost that circle could create a dynamic rollover.
Yeah. Good work.
Oh man, was that good or what?
Salt Lick BBQ, folks.
We're not paid to say that. So we're a little bit worried about falling within weight and balance now. We took on
At least
Took
a
on
couple
back,
hundred extra pounds
yeah.
of barbecue.
Yeah, we'll have to grease this thing off the grass field here. Actually a nice little helicopter landing area. Except for this super tiny pad.
So we gotta have a tad bit of a slope here.
Yep, just
got
a
it.
nice
Nice
little
and easy.
slope operation here.
Okay. Nice and light. And straight back.
Yep, bring her right on back. Clear left.
Clear right. Coming around.
So just before it slants down.
Okay.
Always with these off airports, even though this isn't a confined area, always give yourself as much room as possible, right? Go to the back of it and get as much running head start as possible.
Well, because the runway behind you is not going to do any good, right?
Yep, exactly.
All right, clear on the right.
Clear left.
All right, lights are right, RPMs are good, gauges green, 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 fuel half and half. Roll it.
Beautiful.
Got the wires. And Hill Country traffic, helicopter 140 Victor Alpha departing Salt Lick BBQ, heading to the south, Hill Country traffic.
So at nighttime, I'm usually always liking to be above 2,000 feet. We don't have to be there now, but anytime we're in the Hill Country, always at about 2,500 feet, give or take.
All right, I'll start making my way up there. Just give you more time to find a landing spot.
Yep, that's the biggest reason is, you know, we know we're not going to hit anything. Everything is below 1,500 feet out here.
Yeah.
But as you can see, it's very heavily wooded, right? And I want that extra time to be able to find a patch of area that's not wooded.
San Marcos traffic, helicopter 142 Victor Alpha is approximately 10 miles to the northwest, transitioning south, San Marcos traffic. All right, so we can probably go ahead and start a descent here. See, we're about 5 miles. Hubert traffic, helicopter 142 Victor Alpha is about 5 miles to the north inbound. Full stop, Hubert.
What runway is that?
It's going to be runway 16. Good. Lights out, RPM's good. Green, green, green. Fuel half and half. Car temp looks good. Yours is fine. Mine was reflecting right in my sight line there.
Got it.
And glide slope's coming in. What?
What the?
Didn't know if you want me to get like Red Bull close or like
Red Bull close.